Product certification in the context of MCS is where manufacturers will get their products tested and certified against MCS requirements.
So manufacturers of solar PV or heat pumps have to have their product tested to show that they are in compliance with the standard. And that's what it is.
So that audit will take place. After that audit stage, if there's any improvement actions that the manufacturer needs to tackle, they will be given the opportunity to do that. Once they are cleared, that manufacturer will then get a certificate that will confirm that their product meets MCS requirements. Once they've been issued with that certificate, their product will then be added to our database, and those products will then appear in our public-facing product directory.
So certification in total is about a route to market. Usually what it gives a product manufacturer is it provides the rule book, if you like, in terms of what a product needs to be able to do to be accepted into the market. So if you're going through research and development and designing a product, you look at the standard for that particular product, you therefore know what your product needs to be able to do to meet the regulations, the requirements of the standard. So for a manufacturer, this is a way to get a product into market.
So at the moment, when products are tested in the context of the MCS scheme, manufacturers will develop their products and then they'll get tested while they're in development. None of that testing takes place when this product ends up on a consumer's home, for example. So I know in the larger scale solar PV world, certification bodies like TUV Rhineland, they're doing a lot more in terms of in situ testing. So that's essentially allowing a certification body to assess and test a product in its use. And I think that's really important from a manufacturer perspective, first of all, because it allows certification bodies to feed that data back to manufacturers as to how their products are performing, which can then be fed into their research and development, but also of course for the users of these technologies, so they know that the product that they've had installed is fit for purpose and working. So I think it'll be interesting to see how that can then move across into, I guess, more residential scale solar, and how can we better test these products, these solar panel modules, while they are being installed. So I guess innovation with testing and testing methods is the future.
Yeah, my opinions on the future product certification is, and something that we at MCS will be spending quite a lot of time on next year, is it's more about practical tests in the field. So can you evidence delivered performance of a product, not just in a test environment? So I'm really interested to see how some of the certification bodies are considering how to look at in situ testing, real world testing of products, not just the device that spends some time in a lab. So that's the future.